Oh, I better log in and show the world my hodlings. Fuck no! Alright, I have a new one. The Trezor Model T. Like the car. Alright, it's a box. Da-da-da. Let's see what's inside. Stickers, cables. Yep, that's it. Alright. Oh, magnets. How do they work? That's cool. It kind of sticks. Alright. That's it. Alright, let's see if this thing sucks. Alright, there, you can see it better here. There we go. Super official seal. Oh yeah, and I have all the software installed. I don't wanna... I mean, it's the same for the old one. Let's pop its cherry. Oh. Fuck you. Well, that's no good. USB-C alt cable. Alright. Install firmware. Well, that's annoying, but I guess. It's larger than the old one, so I got this thing to... So I can have two basically. If one dies, I think I'll still carry the old one because it's smaller. Keep this one at home. Has an SD card slot for some reason. What's that all about? Alright, create new wallet. Let's see. Needs backup. New. I don't care. I'm not actually gonna use this wallet, so. Oh. Features. What? It's not flipping over. Some backup thing, do not disconnect. I understand. Oh, touchscreen. Okay, it's giving me the keywords. Halt, confirm. Okay. What is this now? Probably messed something up. I have no idea what's going on. It has a touchscreen thing where you can do the seed recovery without doing it on the computer. Safer. I have to figure out what's with the micro SD slot. Maybe we could encrypt some storage or some shit like that. I looked it up. The SD card, they have no idea what it's for now. It just says advanced features. So my final thoughts, the touchscreen keyboard, it works nice. USB-C, it's good because the new phones and whatever are all USB-C. The bad things, it's bigger, it's heavier. It has this chastity seal thing that just leaves this sticky goop on it. I don't know. I guess it's for security, so you know it's not been violated before you got to it. But it's kind of annoying. I guess I would rather be annoyed than unsecure. Anyhow, my plan is to recover the seed from the old one onto the new one, have two of them, access the same wallet. I don't know if that will work. I think it will, it should. I used the old one for pretty much everything, the two-factor, you know, FIDO thing. SSH keys, GPG keys, whatever. All of that. So, now I have two. That's all. Oh, and don't forget to let me know how crypto is dead and I'll lose all my money. Look, this shit has been going on since the beginning of crypto. Just do the opposite of what everybody and their grandma is doing and you'll be fine.